Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use PayPal Xoom. Xoom, a service from PayPal, makes sending money internationally simple and secure. You can transfer funds to over 160 countries around the globe, reaching friends and family. It's easily accessible through the Xoom website or its dedicated mobile app. You can even log in using your existing PayPal account credentials, streamlining the process for a quick start. Sending money with Xoom is straightforward. First, select the country where your recipient is located. Then, choose how they'll receive the funds, whether it's a direct bank deposit, cash pickup at a local agent, or even a mobile wallet transfer. Next, you'll input your recipient's necessary details, such as their full name and bank account number for deposits. You can pay using your PayPal balance, a linked bank account, or a debit or credit card. Always review the displayed fees and the current exchange rate before finalizing your transfer. Xoom offers various delivery methods, with most transfers completing in just minutes, though some might take up to a few days. Your recipient can receive money directly in their bank account, pick up cash at one of thousands of partner locations, or even get funds in their mobile wallet. Fees depend on factors like the amount sent, the destination country, and your payment method. Generally, using your bank account or PayPal balance for funding results in lower fees compared to using a credit or debit card, which may also include a currency exchange rate markup. Xoom has tiered sending limits, starting at $2,999 daily for level 1 account and potentially increasing to $50,000 daily for level 3 accounts with additional verification. This might involve providing a social security number or a driver's license. A key benefit is real-time tracking and SMS notifications, keeping both you and your recipient informed. Overall, Xoom offers a convenient, secure, and often faster alternative for international money transfers compared to many traditional services.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.